Okay, this is me. I'm working on a gate today. Probably should have started this before I took anything down, but it didn't. Maybe I'll get it figured out one of these days. But then again, that would so be not me. Plan is to cut off a piece of this, cut it off about 1/2 inch here, put it back up. We're thinking that even though it's pressure treated, we got some work because the latch was not latching very well. It was way too tight. So we're going to try this and see what happens, and we'll be back after we cut some stuff. I'm trying to cut here and Amanda's trying to clean. I mean, there's a disconnect here somewhere. So right now I'm gonna be cutting, and notice please that I have my safety glasses on. Always have your safety glasses on. Okay? She's nagging me.
You're nagging me.
Yeah, you heard that too. You heard that here first.
Okay.
That ought to work. I've already used my yellow chalk line. Got my jigsaw plugged in to the house. And here we go. Okay, so far so good. That ought to take care of any vagaries due to subsidence on the ground. Now to rebuild the latch holes because they kind of messed up. So anyway, that's all I'm doing. That's all I'm going to do right now, and I'll turn this off and start it over again when we get done. Okay, I got a little finish up to do. I gotta make that over there average out, but even Mama can handle that one. Kind of hard to see in the sunlight. So that's where I'm at. Going to finish up. I'll be done. Just wanted to show you the final product, done and dusted. That's all the effort it takes. It's quite a project in a simple sort of fashion. Rebuilt the hinges, got the boards except for the warping part back pretty much where they belong, the panels there, the rails, and that's pretty much it. Y'all have a nice day.